Today I am making moong dal dosa. I soaked some moong dal. It is very high in protein and fiber. It is good for health, and it cleans your digestive system. So I am blending this. I am pouring it in this thing called mixer juicer. So I will add some ginger, some cumin seeds. I removed skin of this ginger and I cut into small pieces and adding to the jar. If you keep it bulky, if you keep it in the large piece without cutting, it will be hard to mix. And I am going to add some cumin seeds and some salt. Some cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons. The measurements are not standard. You can use your common sense and add as per your taste. Add some salt and blend it with some water, and I make some kind of mixture, some dough kind of light dough, dense dough. Check the nature of this dough. It is very light, and you can feel it is everything is powdered, and you can't feel the grains of moong dal or green gram split or ginger or salt or cumin seed. Everything is mixed properly, and you can see somewhere small cumin seeds are appearing, but they will be crunchy and taste will be very good. And I'm gonna take this dosa pan and cook in front of you. Eat healthy. I'm using desi ghee. This is just organic 100% ghee. Actually I use coconut oil and olive oil. Today I don't have coconut oil, so I'm using ghee. One thing disclaimer, I am not recommending this product. I have this, so I'm showing this for convenience. You can use any ghee you trust, that brand you trust. Okay, and it is heating, and I'm gonna pour this dough in a style. So you have to pour in the middle. Yeah, this is sufficient, and you have to spread it properly in a circular manner. See, the pan is very big. I took it from, I purchased from Amazon. You can take any pan. I am not telling you to buy from Amazon. You can buy it anywhere. You can cook it on any small pan. If you buy bigger one, if the pan is bigger one, the dosa will become bigger, and it looks like classic dosa you will eat on restaurants, roads, on restaurants we sell on roads, or whatever the things they are, doesn't matter. Finally what matters is you eat, whether it is big or small, you have to eat. Okay, after some time I will flip it. Side of dosa is heated properly and another side is wet, and sometimes if you want to flip with this ladle, one kind of thing, it will break away, it will break easily. So I am showing a technique where you can flip it easily without using ladle. So if it is a non-stick, just wave it so that it oscillates left and right, to and fro. So I am doing this with help of some small plate, so just bear with me. Put a plate on here. Now see this. I flipped here, and I am putting it here like this. See, it did not break. So this is the technique. Actually I put my phone in my mouth and used my both hands, so you could not see how I did it. So what you have to do is you have to put this plate here, reverse this dosa pan, and drop it on the plate, and reverse, and from the plate you have to drop this on again this pan. You can see the status of this dosa. If you see any kind of wetty place somewhere, you have to heat it so that it become dry. and it becomes crunchy, and you have to remove. You have to balance it so that it should not be wet and it should not be so dry that it should not break or it should not become dark. So dark, that is burn, you should not burn it. So it is almost completed. After this I will eat it with some kind of chutney made of peanuts or ginger chutney. As I don't have those things today, I eat it directly. Doesn't matter the taste, you have to eat for health. See, it is breaking easily. Middle part of the dosa is some wet, but it is okay. Actually, this is thick dosa. If you have larger pan, you can make smaller, thinner dosa. And the thing is, I pour a lot of dough into this. If you pour small amount, low amount of dough and spread it evenly, you will get thinner one. Anyways, you know the consistency of dosa, and enjoy the delicacy. The dosa is ready. Moong dal or green gram split dosa. The things you have to keep in mind is you have to use whole moong dal without removing. That means you should not remove the outer layer of this dal, this lentil. It has 14 grams, 14.2 grams of protein, and 80% of recommended daily intake of fiber in it, and it aids in digestive health, reducing weight, diabetes, helping in your maintaining digestive health, and many more benefits. And enjoy.